1, 2, 3.
Tingin nga mo, tingin mo, palakas ang loob.
Paano pag di masarap?
Hello.
Hi!
Kakanta po ako.
Sige.
Isip ko yung kanta.
Part of me.
Anong kanta? Ay, anong tono ba nun? Hindi ko alam eh.
Hindi ako nakakantahan dun.
Ganda kayo.
Ayan, 5, 6, 7, 8. Summer after high school when we were... Nahihirapin nyo. Sabayan nyo ako. Carry away. And on my 18th birthday, we got matching tattoos. Oh. That's it, that's the kid into the room. Talk about the future like we are cool.
Sarap.
Never planned one day I'll be losing you. In another life.
Hindi ko makita yung cup mo. Yung cup mo. Commercial yan. Ganda mo.
We keep our promises, be us against the
Di
world.
mamaya.
In another life, I would make you stay.
Oh,
Stay away. The one that got
Cedric mo
away.
yung phone.
The one that got away. Okay, sabay-sabay. The one. The one.
The one.
The one.
Tabang actingan
The one that got away.
Beda 2.
Okay, next song. Request more.
Kendeng, kendeng.
Kendeng, kendeng, kendeng.
Corny.
Ano ba? Ayoko sumayaw. Napagod po yung puwet ko sa yung balakang ko eh.
Corny
Next
naman.
song.
Ano?
Isip.
Ano
Ano?
parts?
Who you think you are? Ano ba yun? Ano nakalimutan? Hindi ko alam yung tono. Yung iba naman.
1,000 years.
Hindi ko na alam.
Marry the light, alam mo.
I'm gonna marry the night. We're looking forward to something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you.
Hindi na lang ka pinag-get pa yun.
Ten, 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 ten. And there's a look in your eyes. Tama ba lyrics ko? It's dancing juice. Okay. Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. 5, 6. I'm gonna marry the night. I'm not gonna fight anymore. Kakanta ka. Stop mo na. Stop mo na, Sam.